Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce this amazing site. It's AI prompt builder and also AI prompt library. First, let's sign up. We click on the top right button. Now we go to our temporary email, and as always, all the links will be on the description. We solve the captcha and press on get email. We copy the email. We go there and put our email and password and bypass the Cloudflare. Now it needs the verification link. We go back to our temporary, click refresh, go to the email and click on the link. Now we have activated account. It asks for username and your full name. Put anything and click on complete account. Now we are in and all set. As you can see, there is a massive library of great prompts. You can choose any. So I went for the first one. It's action product ad. So you can now click on the copy button to copy this prompt. We go to our ChatGPT, put the prompt and adjust it the way we want. So I remove the product and put Danny's. Now I removed everything and kept the luxurious. I checked the prompt. It's all good. Now I'll proceed adding a reference image and what's the type of my product. So my product is a chips. We click on send, waiting for our ChatGPT to generate the image. Now we got our image. We save the image to our PC. Now, as you can see, the details are amazing. Everything is perfect in this picture. Now, back to the site. Let me choose viral video thumbnails prompt. I copied this prompt and went back to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and replace the video title to best free prompt site. Uploaded the reference image and clicked on send, and we got our thumbnail, which I will use it on my video. So now you can see it from the outside. As you can see, it's very easy and very catchy. There's a large amount of thumbnails, prompts, also ads, prompt, and transparency, products, ads, prompt, and as always, if you like this video and felt that I helped you, please help me back with subscribing to my channel and liking this video. And as always, thank you for watching.